fam, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our first paycheck in August and breaking down our second paycheck in August. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. For our paycheck from August the 1st through August the 8th, in the expense category, we budgeted $400 for an extra payment, $275.58 for our utilities, and $48 for our gym fee. That came up to $723.58. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we paid. In our extras category, we put $75 aside for replacement money. And that is the money that we've been taking out for repairs and other things that we have going on. And in our actual category, we did put the $75 aside. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $60 for our savings challenges, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to $920. And in our actual category, we spent $453 in cash envelopes, which was a difference of $55, $350 in our sinking funds, $60 in our savings challenges, and $20 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $865, which was a difference of $55. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,872.35, minus the expenses of $723.58, minus the extras of $75, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $60, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $153.77. In our actual category, our income was $1,872.35, minus the expenses of $723.58, minus the extras of $75, minus the cash envelopes of $435, which was a difference of $75, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $60, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $208.77, which was a savings of $55. In our paycheck from August the 9th through August the 15th, in our expense category, we budgeted $165.51 for our car insurance, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $28 for Terminex, $24.83 for Netflix, $16.15 for Audible, and $15.25 for YouTube Premium. That came up to a total of $21.14. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $575 for our sinking funds, $140 for our savings challenges, $40 for our extra backup money, and $900 for extra payment, which will be going toward our air repair. And I will discuss that in my cash stuffing video. And $150 in our backup fund. That came up to a total of $2,335. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $321.14, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the savings challenges of $140, minus the extra backup money of $40, minus the extra payment of $900, and minus the backup funds of $150. That leaves a remainder of $205.31. So fam, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.